Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a simple yet essential task for Snapchat users: how to copy your Snapchat profile link. Whether you want to share your profile with friends or promote it online, having your link ready is a game changer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat. The first thing you need to do is launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once you're in the app, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the share icon. Look for the 3 dots or the share icon right next to your username. Give that a tap to open up more options. Step 4. Copy the link. Finally, tap Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Now, you can easily share your Snapchat profile link anywhere you want. And that's it. You're all set to share your Snapchat profile with friends or followers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.